Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain fix Xbox digital game installation stopped error. Go to My Games and Apps from the top right, then go to Manage Queue, then click on Queue, then click on Cancel All, then click on Clear the queue. Then go back and go to Store, then download and install the game again. If it is not work, then turn off the console, then press and hold the power button, hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then go to settings, then go to network settings, then go offline, then go back, then click on My Games and Apps, then go to Manage Queue, then click on Queue, then click on Cancel All. Now click on Clear the queue. Now press the Xbox from the controller, then go to Profile icon, then click on Power, then click on Turn off console, then open and start install the game. By following these steps, you can fix Xbox digital game installation stopped error.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.